Hey, we got the Blizzard boys back in the Paleo Test Kitchen. We got some pork on the plate. What's up, Berger? Boom!
What's up?
We're gonna go with an alternative breakfast option. I know a lot of you guys are sick of eggs. And this is gonna be jalapeno mango pork tenderloin. So grab your saute pan, get it on the flame, and we'll be right back. We're gonna start off with the pork because pork product is prominent in the Paleo Test Kitchen, all right? I'm gonna set this over here. Berger, I'll cut it here, and I'm just gonna trim off a little piece of silver skin right there. And then from there, what I'll have you do is just cut the rest of this into chunks about that size.
Okay.
While he's doing that, Paleo Nick is gonna peel a mango, all right? Just getting through this mango. We got our pan preheating over there. Good job, dude. Okay, from there, I want you to salt and pepper the top of that.
Okay.
To the level you think the top half should receive. Does that make sense?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. So we're gonna essentially season the top and the bottom.
Okay.
I want you to put as much salt and pepper that you think should go on the top.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's check the heat. When we sear things off, we want them to be about minimum 350. Right now, where are we at?
330 on the sides.
450
in the center.
So it's pretty hot. We're gonna turn the heat down. I'm gonna hack up this onion here. And this is just an onion I've already worked on a little bit. I think we put it in our guacamole with our tri-tip. Did you have any of that?
I did.
Is it good or?
Amazing.
Just gonna throw these two things in together. I want you to grab that and put this seasoned side down into the oil once I have it ready. Nice, okay? Now we're gonna take the salt and pepper over there and see if we can get that same amount on the top. This works, Berger. Onions are on the side. Crank the heat, see if we can get a little caramelization on that pork. Then I'm just gonna work my way through this mango. And then if you wanna go here with the mint, just pull the leaves off the stem like that, okay? How about cutting into a bell pepper? Let me just show you one here. I want you to cut in like that. And then roll around like that. Cut the bottom off. And then that. And then can you count how many seeds came out of that pepper on the board?
0.
Okay. Come on over here, guys, for a second. This little top. There we go. Nice work, dude. So bring a little heat here with the poblano and some good color. So we don't need to get these super soft. They have a little crunch to them. That's fine. Do you ever get fajitas at like a Mexican restaurant? Kind of going for something like that, okay? Couple more tosses. You want to throw that mango in here? Go with the mint. And then just for a little sweetness, we're just about done with our maple syrup. That was maybe 2 teaspoons or something like that, just to help it along a little bit. All right, then the last piece is just gonna be with half a jalapeno seeds included. This will contribute some heat, but we can easily navigate around these big chunks of jalapeno. So super simple breakfast alternative. This is jalapeno mango pork tenderloin. We're the Blizzard boys in the Paleo Test Kitchen. Just doing what we can to help you keep it paleo.